Hello and welcome in Seema Lifestyle. Today I am going to make very interesting and iconic recipe of Middle East. It is falafel and it is full of protein. It is gluten free and it is vegan and very easy to make. We don't need too many ingredients as well, and so let's start. But before we start, I'm going to tell you it is my little twist. This recipe I'm going to show you how to cook in three different pan. One is normal deep frying, second is pan, and third is appam pan. So here we go. Let's start making. Let's see what ingredients we need for it. For this we need chickpeas. So you can't use tin chickpeas because they are boiled. You need dry chickpeas like that, and if you soak them overnight or 4 or 5 hours, they will become like that. Now my all chickpeas are going in blender. And blend them in fine paste. If you are not able to grind in fine paste, just add little bit water. Little bit means little bit. And then try. We don't want very watery, we still want thick paste. It looks alright. Now you can see it will go in our bowl, mixing bowl. All of it is gone here. Now other ingredients are going in our mixing bowl. So first I am using salt. Just add to your taste, and then some canned chilies, coriander grounded, and then some cumin powder and garlic and onion and some herbs. It is coriander chopped and some parsley chopped. I love lots of it. And I'm using 2 teaspoon or 2 tablespoons gram flour. It will give it a little bind. And then mix everything. Mix it very well. Now we are ready to cook. So this is our deep fryer. So I am using deep fryer first. So have little bit in your spoon, like half teaspoon, and pour in your deep fryer. And then same time you can use your appam. Just it needs a little bit oil, and then your other pan, little bit oil. So have half teaspoon in appam mixture. Like that. And then in third pan, just use a spoon and do little bit flatten it up. And then wait until they are ready, nice golden from outside and inside is cooked. When you see they are ready, just turn them. This one is ready. Now I turn them over, and look, they are looking golden, so they are ready. I'm taking them in my plate. And then now we will go in appam. They will take little longer, but it's okay. Let them cook on sim flame. And other one is as well. Let them cook on sim flame. They will take little longer than deep fry. But you have choice to cook whatever way you like most. If you want, see if they are ready to turn over. Yeah, it is looking good. And then let's see our pan. It is looking good as well. Turn them over, and then just couple of drops oil to cook other side. And same in your this appam pan, just few drops. You can see I'm just using couple of drops. They are making nice golden color and beautiful crispy. They are looking nice, crunchy and quite good. Same here. So they are ready. All three falafel are ready to serve. Now our falafel is ready to taste. So I'm using pita bread, half cut, and then I'm using homemade thini. So thini will go in, and then little salad. You can have salad whatever you like or you have in your fridge, and then some falafel. Or you can eat falafel just like that as well. It is really yummy. Anyway, it is my lunch time, so I am going to have it. Now guys, you must go and try and enjoy with your family and friends. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.